Hello, everybody. This is my updated video for how to import your Hytale character into Blockbench, so you can use it for thumbnails, renders, whatever you want. If you want to update it and import it again, I'm pretty sure there's some mods coming out for custom player models, so this will be useful as a base. So yeah, I've made a new character. I thought this would be quite fun to have a fun sort of game to have a character. So this is Mini Cheddar, obviously named after the crisps. She's just an adventurer. But anyway, let's get into the tutorial. So, literally like 4 hours after my video, after I uploaded my video, this person, Mr. Pastelito, uploaded a plugin for Blockbench, which is so useful. It basically does all the things that I manually did the other day automatically. So to get the Hytale avatar uploader, there is a link on the Twitter, but there's also, if you go onto File, Plugins, and just search under Available, search Hytale, you'll see Hytale Avatar Loader, and this just literally hit install. This local one is from the file way of downloading it, which I did until I realised right at the end of recording this that you could find it on the in-app browser. So there we go. We'll open up Blockbench, and the first thing you need to do is open a Hytale character. So you can give this a file name. I'm going to call mine Mini Cheddar, like my character. There is a usage part within this, which you can follow if you like, but I thought I'd make this video to make it a little bit easier to follow along, because I learn visually and I know a lot of other people do. After you've made the just empty Hytale character file and uploaded your plugin, what you want to do is hit Windows R to bring up the run dialog. Type %, app data %, and click OK. You'll then scroll down to Hytale, and then to install, then release, then package, then game, and then latest, and you'll see this assets folder. If you take the assets zip and copy it, and then go to, I'll go to my desktop, and I'll actually make a new folder for this, and just call it like Hytale assets. You'll go into that, paste the assets zip, and then just right click, and you can either do extract all, or if you've got WinRAR, just hover over and extract to assets, and that will make a folder called assets. I'm going to cancel this because I've already got one. And then when you hop back into Blockbench, if you hit File and then Import, Load Hytale Avatar, it has a little handy pop-up which tells you how to get to where you need to go. However, I found that if you just click OK, it comes up with the file anyway. But if you have your own cached player skin elsewhere, which you can, if you make an avatar, you can head to %app data Hytale user data cached player skins, and you can just drag that to your desktop to save that as a separate avatar. So if you have multiple characters you want to do, that's how you do that. But for the sake of this, it just brings up the cached player skins for you. Click the only one there, unless they add updates, then click whichever one you want, and then hit open. And it says select the extracted assets folder. That's what we just did with the zip file. So we'll click OK. And I've got mine in Hytale renders, Hytale assets, but you would have yours wherever you just saved it. Click the entire assets folder and click select folder. And you'll see it's really as simple as that. Like, it brings everything in with the right colors. You don't have to do any sort of Photoshop work. It's really simple. I knew it was only a matter of time before someone made this sort of plugin, and it's wonderful. So if you want to change a texture for like the mouth, for example, because it has a lot of different like versions of it, whether it's open or going like wow or whatever. If you go over to origin and then into pelvis, belly, chest, and then head, if you scroll down a bit and click mouth attachment, and then on the side make sure that tiny lips or whatever mouth texture you have, it will be on this textures thing on the side. If you then just click the little rectangle up here, you can then see it's loaded the textures in. So if you want to have like a little smirk, you just click and drag over to the mouth texture that you want. So it's really quite simple. They've made it very intuitive, which is good. So if I put this like I'm fighting mouth on, you can see it's on there perfectly, and that's exactly what's needed. And this isn't going to be a full tutorial for posing, but if you did want to pose your character, head over to this animate thing or press 4 on your keyboard. Click add animation. I'm just going to name it pose and then click confirm. Then you can go to any of these folders and move parts. So if you want to move the head, click on the head folder, go to rotate, and you can rotate it up or down, side to side. And it's really quite useful. Then you go over to shoulder and do the same like this, and then if you want to move the forearm, go to forearm, which is within the arm one, and then I'm pretty sure hand is in that. Yeah, there we go, hand. And you can pose your character however you want. But yes, I hope this was a helpful resource for you guys, and yeah, hit like if you liked it. Check out Mr. Pastelito on Twitter. Big shout out once again, and I'll hopefully be making some more tutorials. I'd like to make some for how to make Hytale renders and also how to make Minecraft renders, because that's where my speciality lies. But yeah, have a lovely day, everybody. Bye.